summer splashy bright. Sunbeams dance, a golden light. Wiggle, wobble, splash and sing. Pond friends play such happy ring. Flap your wings and stomp your feet. Join the fun, the day's so sweet. Frogs jump high with happy croaks. Dragonflies in silver strokes. Puppy watches, gives a bark. Chases bubbles near the park. Wiggle, wobble, splash and sing. Pond friends play such happy ring. Flap your wings and stomp your feet. Join the fun, the day's so sweet. Clouds may come and raindrops fall. Puddles giggle, one and all. Shake your fur and clap along. PondSide hearts beat like a song. Evening comes with soft good nights. Fireflies blink their tiny lights. Ducklings yawn and paddles rest. Puppy curls upon his chest. Wiggle, cuddle, close your eyes. Dream of ponds and summer skies. Sleepy paws and quiet dew. Good night, pond, we love you too. Sing along with kids. Row, row your dinosaur gently down the stream. In a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet. Tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon. Riding waves and catching stars, they'll be home real soon. Row, row your dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at dino bed. Good night to dino play. Sing along with kids. In the jungle, fresh with dew, Panda play his peekaboo. Behind tall grass and bamboo trees, he giggles softly in the breeze. Panda's peekaboo, come play, hiding, hopping all the way. From leaf to leaf, from tree to tree, peekaboo, you can't catch me. He ducked beneath a mushroom hat, then popped out laughing. Look at that! Birds all chirped, and monkeys too joined in playing peekaboo. Panda's peekaboo, come play, hiding, hopping all the way. From leaf to leaf, from tree to tree, peekaboo, you can't catch me. He found a mirror in a stream and peeked at his own panda dream. A world of smiles, soft and true, all wrapped in joy and peekaboo. Panda's peekaboo, don't end. Let's play again, my furry friend. The jungle sings, the skies are blue. One more round of peekaboo. Sing along with kids. Panda packed his bag with care, lunch and books, and combed his hair. He waved goodbye and grabbed his hat. Time for learning, fancy that. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play. With crayon songs and counting too, so much fun in all we do. He met new friends, a bunny and fox. They built tall towers with rainbow blocks. They sang the ABCs out loud, and Panda felt so very proud. Panda goes to school today, ready to learn, laugh and play. With crayon songs and counting too, so much fun in all we do. They read a tale of stars and skies, then painted suns with with smiley eyes. Panda clapped at story's end. Learning's better with a friend. Panda goes to school, hooray! He'll be back another day. With joy and kindness as his rule, Panda loves his happy school. Sing along with kids. Panda was napping under a tree, dreaming of clouds and honeycomb tea. A flutter, a flicker, so light and shy, landed near Panda, a bright butterfly. She danced in the air with color so wide. "Come follow me," she softly cried. Panda blinked and gave a small smile. "I'll follow you just for a while." They tiptoed through flowers, across a small stream, like a page from a soft floating dream. Butterfly twirled through the morning light. Panda laughed, what a magical sight. When the sun dipped low in the golden sky, Panda waved to the butterfly.